Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right over here on West Indian Delights, thank you. And please enjoy. Now, I don't know, so my school never win, you know. But it is this love and peace and manawaganess. I'm still here on the 40th train. Big ups to you all. We are school one, came out victorious. We now give up. Now today I want to do for you a different little dish. I'm not sure how many people have tried it. Maybe some have not. It's chicken stew peas. Chicken stew peas. Okay, y'all? So right over here, I have my oil being preheated. So I'm going to go and notch up my flame because it's not going to be hard. It won't take a long time. Right here, I've got some pieces of chicken cut in this size. Yep. I have breast. The only thing I don't have in here is wing. I have piece of this. This is the sort of ribs near connected to the chicken back. Yeah, I have like a piece with the neck. I have a piece of put whatever the pieces that you want. My chicken is clean, all washed, everything, and I'm leaving my skin on. And I'll tell you and show you why. So what I want to do with this now, I want to get this oil seasoned off. So what I'm going to use to season this is just like a little salt to taste. And just some grated garlic. Oil is over there being preheated. I want to use probably about 3 medium-sized pegs of garlic. And when you come to this part, you don't have to throw out that. You can just drop it in there. We don't waste garlic. Garlic is too precious to be wasted. So you just rub out your thing. Do whatever you want. If you want to season with garlic powder, go ahead. Not a problem. So we have our oil over there being preheated. We want to get our chicken all browned off. It is going to be the meat. Clean, pure hands. Should I save that? I should have. I'm sorry. Clean, pure hands. It's your chicken. So you want to just massage in this little, just garlic and salt for now. As we proceed, you will hear or you'll see what we are going to use. This should not be salty. You should not put salt to salty too much at this point. So you just go moderately on the salt. So you rub it in. You don't need to put this thing to marinate. You don't need to cover it with any plastic wrap and then to put it in the fridge, because when it comes from the fridge you have got to let it come back to room temperature before you can start cooking. We need this pot with a relative amount of oil, reasonably hot. And if the camera is picking it up, which I think you can see the oil like it's moving around, therefore it's hot, so you need a decent sizzle. So the parts as the skin, you're going to put them skin side down, being very careful. It should even be a little hotter than that, but we can work with that. You want to get these browned off properly from side to side. If you have too much, you do it in 2 batches, and this is what I've got to do. Mine has to be done in 2 batches. Let me get my hands washed, y'all. So now our chicken is there, and we are gonna brown them from side to side. I cannot say to you how many minutes on each side. You are in your kitchen. You are monitoring your pot. You have your chicken in your pot. You have to determine how long or when your chicken is ready. We're going to brown it off from side to side. You want a nice, pretty brown color, not burnt. So it is there like that, okay? We can turn our heat up a bit. Now, as I said, we're doing it in batches because we don't want to crowd the pot. If you crowd the pot too much, it's going to be too clogged. And here will not pass through. It will take longer to brown. And it now will come out right. It will come out. When you think it's brown, it's not brown. And it they are cooked. And I tear up, and I mash up, and it's still not brown. Because the pot doesn't have enough air to pass through each piece of chicken, okay? Now, chicken stew peas, that simply means you need some peas. And if you're on the Jamaican cooking journey, you would have seen our previous video, which is how to cook your peas. So we have some peas here, all cooked off. And it was in the refrigerator. This is how it looks. It's not too soft and all of that. And these are the juices from our peas and all of that. So we'll be browning off those. And when you see us mix, we'll have our chicken brown off. We're going to show you how we're going to proceed to get this thing put together, flavored up, get it, and make it look like a stew peas. It's chicken stew peas. Okay, now y'all, we have finished, brown off our chicken, and camera girl is making a feast right here. She's right here, and she's making a feast of these little pieces of nicely fried chicken. Now I want you to get right in, camera girl, on this spot right here. We have gotten off all our excess oil that we used to fry the chicken, and we have a nice little thing. That's why I said to you, don't let it burn, because you're gonna need what is left in the pot. So we have this in the pot, so we're gonna remove our chicken, or we're gonna return our chicken right back to this pot with nice little juices. There you go. Now we're gonna notch our flame up. We're gonna need our spoon at this point. This is what you have. Remember I said to you, it's gonna be chicken stew peas. Now we're gonna add our peas on high heat. We're gonna need some boiled water or hot water. Not all at once, and we are gonna throw it to the side. Not all. We're gonna get this coming together. Wow, my rag always drop on the floor. Oh Lord. Okay, high heat right here. This is the chicken and the peas, the brown chicken and the peas together with the hot water. Now that's what we have. Remember I said to you, it's stew peas. So we're going to have to put a little thing to it. Chicken stew peas, it's not pigtail. We have some diced carrots here. We're gonna put in this, and I'll leave for you in the description. You always want the proportion that most people always want. So it tells us here that because we need a stew, we have to put some more water, hot water. Okay, we have here a piece of green thyme. You put it like this. When it's through, you'll just hold it by here and pull it out. We're putting what we are putting, and we are waiting on the boil. Now we have some, we're not ready to put this. We have some sweet pepper. You're going to chop your sweet peppers. We have green and yellow. If you had red, it would be beautiful at this point for, wow, perfection or coloring of the dish. Okay, we wanted that. We are going to use a different pepper. We wanted this green one to flavor, and we wanted a piece of the yellow one for eat. But it's on the floor right now, so I'm going to take this out of the way. Okay, y'all? I don't know what is happening. I don't know which dumping in my kitchen today, but no worry on yourself. We're not going to hear about it. Now that we have this coming together, remember it's stew peas, so you got to have some peanuts. So at this point we can put in the peanuts, because the peanuts have to go cooking. You need a little cooking. Remember our flour, so we are putting the peanuts. Yup. Put them, if they even fall on top, as soon as the heat catches them, they'll just separate. Okay, now we want to taste what is happening with the salt. We're going to put a little salt right now, because remember, I know salt meat like pigtail. Okay, so we're going to put a little salt. We want to put right now, right at this point, I'm going to get my right soy sauce, but this one has a little mushroom flavor. A few drops of soy sauce, just to, let us put that and see what is happening. Okay. You saw what I was talking about? The brown chicken are standing. They're not getting... But you know when this thing come white and look like some little ugly color. Look. You know them little ugly color chicken foot? We don't want... Oh, look at this now. Look at what is happening in the pot. Okay. Now right here, we've got some crushed pimentos. We don't want it fine and we don't want it old. So if you have... We need pimento. So use the pimento. I was going to say if you have hot pepper. But the pimento gives a different flavor. We have right here some scallions. And you know you have to mash your scallions for the stew peas. We don't cut up scallion and put in a stew peas, okay y'all? We mash them. Right in. We have right here some ginger. Gonna grate a little ginger. And remember, you know, sometimes, you know, the direct amount don't help because most of the times you're maybe cooking more or maybe less, you know. So sometimes you can just adjust your thing. Now look at this. We want to get a piece of grated celery. This is the first time for you from me. Grated celery. Wow, if you smell the ginger. So while you're gonna turn the heat now, you're going to hold the celery. And I should have done that before the ginger over it. So you don't want the heat too much of the heat that come and it's going to get arthritis to come more, eh? So you're going to grate a little celery. Okay? Celery, green celery stalk. This is what we are using to flavor up. Look at it. I'm going to grate a little more. I like the taste of green celery. It's really, really, really refreshing. Okay, so we put in a little green celery. Make we see what I go on. Man, this is good. Look here. This scallion supposed to go down, they go cook until it limp out. It's not supposed to be right up and up up itself. So we want a little more fresh grated garlic. That was what we did was just on the chicken. So we're going to put 2 more pegs of grated garlic. So look what is gonna left now. The only thing that is gonna left, and we're not ready for it yet, is this and the Scotch bonnet pepper. So look at this. Medium heat, and you're going to leave it. And we're going to come back. Make them start gel. It seems like we want a little more water. As it's a stew we're doing, you know. We don't want this thing come that we not have no stew to put on the rice and all them something. Right? Okay. Notch your flame up back a bit. And we're going to leave it. Constantly stirring. Now, you're leaving this to come together. That the peas and the pinners, it's not spinners according to my mom. So I want to make sure I'm saying the right. I'm going by what my mother said. It's pinners. So you want the peas, because the peas is supposed to give it some body, and the pinners. So you're going to leave it constantly stirring until you see it start to come together with a body. When it starts coming together with a body that looks like stew peas, then I will return. Put in the rest of what we have. Do a final taste test for the flavor type. Leave it to simmer. And then we're going to go back and come back to present. See? Okay, y'all, now. Look at this. You see what I'm talking about? The stew, that's the body of the stew is building. So look at this now. We're going to lower our flame right now. And we're going to taste. Oh man, something right here, so. Okay, we're going to put in a little cumin. We're going to put in some cumin. Or a little. Cumin is really strong. Yeah, so that is okay. Yep. I think we might need a little more salt. Remember, it wasn't, whoops, not so much at all. Right in. Wow, me not go overboard. We need this. At this point, we're gonna put in sweet pepper. Because we're coming almost there now, you know, flame up. And see, I've changed my pepper. I find a small teeny one. So I'm going to cut up all of this because this is not supposed to be no danger. with the seed and all, because the green one is to flavor it and the ripe one is to give it a little heat. Huh? So, flame right up back. Yes, the ripe one. Nice on my cut. Nice little flavor come out right. We can start stirring now, but be careful how you stir. Don't mash, you know? Look at it. Look at what is happening. Okay? Alright. You see what is happening? The stew is building. Hello. We are go back in that baby here, you know. And we are gonna taste. Yes, man. Okay. We're gonna lower flame. Wow, this is so nice. So, we're gonna lower flame. Maybe we can put a little bit more ginger. Yeah. Like the taste of the ginger in the stew. So, I'm gonna put a little more ginger and another little chops of water, because we're gonna leave it for about maybe about 5 minutes more to build. Stirring it a few times. When we come back, this thing should be ready. We got the color. We've got the color, and let me tell you, we can put a little, but that is about like a, it is not a full tablespoon of ketchup, but you'll be surprised of the taste that it would give it. Huh? And you know the ketchup have a slight little sweetness to it. So look at us now. You see how far that soup is that work very bad, you know. Look at it. So we have it there. We have the stew looking colorful and all. Yes. One more time for the taste. Wow, our family, my head now feels so good there right now. This is it. This is it. Nice and peppery. So we're gonna leave it on a little higher heat than this. And you're gonna constantly stir it. Stir it. It don't need long now, you know. Maybe another 3 to 4 minutes the most, you know, to get it come together. So we're gonna leave it at that. When we return, we're gonna plate. Okay, now family, we are right here. Look at what we have here. On the low, simmering. This is what you call a stew. This is a stew. Look at the consistency of the stew. You don't want not more. You don't want it thick up more than this, and you don't want it to run all about. When you look, you see the chicken one side, the peanuts one side, and the red of something them, and everybody can come together. Everything is properly together now. Okay, we have the pepper there, and I went ahead and I took out my little scallion and thyme, you know, to remove those and all of that. So we'll turn the flame off. Okay, I browned the chicken to show you because it stood the test of time during the cooking. Okay, that is the main purpose of browning off the chicken. You know, one when the stew peas down, when you're looking at this, some whitey chicken cock up and look unappealing and turn off people when you set the dinner table. Okay, we're gonna plate some of this thing for you, and I'm gonna put it in a see-through or a transparent bowl so you have to see the beauty of it in there. Okay, let's plate. So you do what suits you. Do what suits you, your house or your family, you know, because this is like, you know, this can be on your Easter dinner table. Come in, so now most of you're gonna have visitors, and you're gonna want to, you know, fix up your dinner table for Easter, because your family, your friends, and all them kind of people they are come over. Let us clean. Okay. There you have it. Let me turn the stove off. Hello. I will not be able to eat any of this for you. See, it's really hot, and I don't know what happened. My head just felt a little dizzy like, but I've got to deliver. So I'm just gonna through with this video. But I'll be posting up on Instagram. Those of you who are following me on Instagram, I'm gonna present to you there. I'm gonna show you my presentation. This is my Sunday dinner, y'all. Okay? So you'll see you know, this is typical white rice, and you'll see what vegetable type and all of that and how I present it. Okay, but I've got to present to you. So from my kitchen to yours, to your wherever you are, to your Easter dinner table, it's chicken stew peas from scratch. Please enjoy. And remember, let me tell you something, family. As my good friend Amaru Cook says, eat with your eyes. I'm going to go a little further. eat, start eating from your brain. Your brain said to your eyes, look at this. Would you eat it? Your eyes said, yes, I would. Here your mouth. Come here to me. Okay, you all? So if you think you have liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. Remember, leave your comments below. They are so welcoming. They are so warming. Thank you so much, in a principled and decent way, as you're all doing now. And remember, when you do subscribe, remember to hit that notification bell so you will not be left out. Remember, man, baby from down a yard, bless, no stress.